Seagull Watch FKWY. The design is from the first mechanical watch in China, the brand 51 from the old Tianjin Watch factory. You can see the small image here is 51. And the word below the 51 is 17 diamonds. It means the diamond for old 51 watch has total 17 piece diamond. Actually, the movement for FKWY is ST2130. It has total 26 piece diamonds. This is the movement ST2130. The connector here and inside is the diamond. So the ST2130 has total 26 piece diamond. The small words here means China Tianjin, and the back side means made in China Tianjin. And you can see 51 image here and the crown. The color for the dial and the hands are light gold tone. It's very beautiful in reality. The glass is crystal, and you can see it's a little curved shape. The diameter for this watch is 38 mm. It's suited for both men and lady. It's a very beautiful watch.